Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free wirelessly file sharing app for Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, on your respective computer, if you're using a Windows or Mac, just open any web browser and Google search to search for one application named as Upload Remote, and on the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now you will see here download option for various operating system, download for Android, download for Mac and iOS, download for Windows. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'm gonna download for my Windows computer. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK, click on I agree, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Let's just click on finish, and now let us install the same application on our smartphone. So right now I'm using an Android smartphone. So if you're using an iOS smartphone, just open the App Store, and if you're using an Android smartphone, just open the Play Store and just search for the app name Upload Remote, and you will see the application. Just click on it, click on install to install the application. So finally the installation of the Upload Remote application has been completed on both my respective computer as well as on my smartphone. So now before clicking on open, kindly connect your respective devices with the same Wi-Fi internet connections. Then after that, just open the similar application on your different devices. So now you can see the user interface on both of your devices. So it has auto detected my different devices that are using the Upload Remote application. So you can see here each one of my devices detected one another. So now in order to send a file from your computer or from your smartphone, just click on this add file. So say let me send it from my computer to my smartphone. Firstly, click on this add file. Now select the file that you want to send. So just to give an example, let me select some image files here. Click on open. Now I've selected multiple files, and now just click on this receiver name. Click on this send pairing request. Now you will see here to approve. Just click on approve. So finally you can see I have received all the files that I've sent from my computer to my smartphone. So now these files will only be saved inside this application. So in order to save it inside your internal storage or SD card storage, what you need to do is just tap and hold and select all the files which you want to save internally. Now once you have selected all the files, click on this save. Now you can save it to gallery or any other folders. So I'll save it to gallery. So now let me click on this gallery application. Now you can see the files which I have received using this Upload Remote. So similarly, if you want to send a file from your respective smartphone to your respective computer, just click on this add file. So you can select a photo, image, video or any kind of file. So in my opinion, it's the best free wirelessly file sharing app for Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.